Hey friends, as students, you aspire to work and earn a lot of money one day to live a comfortable life, right? For now, you only have to adjust with some pocket money and other monetary gifts you receive on birthdays, etc. Did you know you can start a journey of saving for something big right now by simple saving tricks? That's right. After evaluating a student's expenditure, we have listed some untypical ways you can start saving. Do it now, thank us later. So let's get right into ways of how to start saving now. Number 1. Renting books. Are you moving into a new grade or semester in school? You'll probably need to buy new textbooks and guides, right? Consider the option of renting these books out from seniors or others that don't need them anymore, so you can save that money for something better. The advantage is also to know that you will have most of your notes marked and ready by the previous user. Number 2. Pack home food. As a student, you're probably given an allowance money to spend in your canteen. But what if you could pack some healthy meals from home, even fruits, and save some days' money for the future? Cool, right? Remember, saving canteen money doesn't mean you go hungry. It only means you carry healthy meals from home while saving some extra expenditure. Number 3. Student discounts. Are you aware of student discounts available on stationery items, laptops, and more? Yes. Now they are available in select shops only. But every time you need to buy something as a student, you can ask for a student discount. You can even use this for public transportation if you travel often. This will help you to save a lot of money. Number 4. Clearing doubts. Now, one big mistake we make as students is not clearing our doubts in the class. We barely listen to the teacher and wait to run home. This usually leads us to spend money on unnecessary tuition and extra classes. How can this save you money? Finish all your learning in class and let your parents know that they use the tuition money for something you might need in the future while also scoring well in your exams. This way, it's a win-win situation for everybody. Also, you must have heard the phrase time is money. No tuition means more time for self-study and more time to get other jobs done. Number 5. Avoid brands. Now, as a student, you may want to buy branded items that you see your friends wear or those the internet says are cool. Felt that way? It's okay. But remember, this way you spend double or even triple the amount you get on branded items just to follow a trend or fit in when you can save it for something you might really need. Number 6. Home entertainment. When you get a holiday, you might surely plan a hangout with your friends at the mall or at movies. While that is great to do once in a way, but the best way to go about a fun hangout and save money is to organize something at someone's place or even a park. Contribute to get the snacks that aren't as expensive. Eat local items, stream a movie on your laptop or television, and tada! You're saving so much on what you throw away at a theatre, restaurant, or shopping area. Number 7. Bank savings. Now, we have kept this for the end because it may apply to you later in life. As a student, you will see the need to have a bank account as soon as you're 18 years of age. Now, you do not need a salary like your parents or big money. Requesting an elder to help you open saving account in a trusted bank will let you put in parts of your birthday, pocket, festival, and small earning money into a safe zone that you can use in an emergency or when you need to buy something big. This will also be your first step to independence, so enjoy it while you do. With that, we come to the end of this video. But hey, you might still wonder if you really need to save money as a student. Well friends, let us tell you that it is important to save money even if you feel like your parents will give you everything. Eventually, you will grow up and these savings will give you financial stability and independence, as well as protection in the event of an emergency. The moral of the story: you can save money as a student while still having a great time at school. So, stop what you're doing and start saving. Do you know what's also a smart move as a student? Watching informative videos like this. So, go ahead and hit the like button. Share this with your friends and subscribe if you haven't already. Press the bell icon to stay updated with new videos that will help you get through your student journey. Thank you.